Hi, my name is Amelia. I'm the president of the Mind Body Expo, and you are watching Mind Body Elevate, a journey into wellness. And today I will be interviewing our Sequoia or title sponsors for the Mind Body Expo 2020, Pause at Swinton. We have the whole family here. We have Chloe, we have Dustin, and we have Kelly. Thank you guys for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks. I'm really excited to have them on board because they have a really great family dynamic. They're family-owned, local to Delray, really close to Old School Square at 131 Swinton, right? Mm-hmm. So it's a really great location to visit, and I'd love for them to share what they have going on within this space. So, Kelly, I would love to learn what is Pause at Swinton?
So Pause at Swinton is exactly what it says. It's a place to pause and a place for people to come and feel welcome and comfortable, where you can work, where you can study, where you can have all kinds of Lite Bites, herbal teas. We have kava, we have kratom, we have
Coffee.
And it's just a really nice, friendly place, and just for people to come and be together, gather, share, and grow oftentimes.
Yes, I absolutely love it, because when I came into Pause, I saw that they have such cute furniture. I would always work at the same location at a little coffee shop, but then I came into Pause, and that's like the only place I go to work because it's so great. You have such diversity in drinks. So if you go in the morning and you have your coffee, to get your day started, and then in the afternoon when you're done with all your meetings, you can have a cup of kava to help calm your nervous system. So I know that you guys have that specific element within Pause. What is it about what you serve in Pause that you feel really caters to your customers? Dustin?
I think that a lot of people will go there for the kava and the kratom. Kava is just a natural muscle relaxer. It's just the root of a plant and water, so it's a very earthy taste. But it's really, the natural muscle relaxing is really awesome, and the kratom is very euphoric. Gives you a little natural boost of energy as well. So it's really good for studying or like just having to sit down and do something. And it gets you talking with people as well. A lot of like-minded people end up in Pause at random times, and I see people meeting every day there, and the kratom kind of helps them get into conversation more than they might usually if they were just, drinking a coffee or whatever. So it's really cool. It definitely helps facilitate a lot of different things, for sure.
Yeah, and I sense that as well. I don't like to take any pills or anything like that. So if I have pain in my body, I take kratom, and it goes away, and it helps me feel relaxed. And kava as well relaxes your stress, because I know coffee can sometimes get you a little overstimulated, and the kava helps you calm down and get into a balanced state. So Chloe, what are some things in Pause that you would like to share that you guys can provide for people that have never been?
Well, in addition to all of our drinks, obviously, we also offer an oxygen bar. We also love to get involved in the community. We just had a great nonprofit do a fundraiser there. We had like a sip and paint night with no alcohol. Kava is a great alternative to alcohol as well, which is one of the reasons why we're open so late, because people want that social aspect of going to a bar or meeting friends without becoming intoxicated. So
yeah, that's a really great option, because instead of going to a bar and having a drink that is toxic to your body, and we all know that we live in such a stressful environment, and with so much stress going on, sometimes you get out of work and you're like, oh, I just want to drink. But instead of doing that, you can just stop at Pause, take a pause, take a pause, and have a drink. So what are some other activities that you guys offer for?
I just want to mention that what's really to what you're saying, I'm always like looking for a place to go, even like at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I don't want to go have a glass of wine, even though there's nothing wrong with wine, but it's going to ruin my whole day, rest of my day of productiveness. So if I, if I have some kava or some kratom, it just actually helps me to relax and kind of refocus and then go on with my day, and it doesn't have any impairment on those things.
Yeah, it's
so
non-impairing. Non-impairing, that's the main thing. Like, you're not going to feel weird or anything like that. It's a tea at the end of the day, and you are sober when you drink it. And you know, like, you can drive, and there's no hangover, no trouble sleeping or
And the
anything
pain
like
part,
that.
as Amelia said, is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's a natural remedy for pain. And isn't that why you opened Pause to begin with?
Yes.
As a place to co-create? Can you please share a little bit about that story, how you came about to finally opening the doors for your venue?
Well, I've actually been thinking about this for probably about 30 years. And it really did start as me being an esthetician. So I was always in wellness, in aromatherapy and natural care. So I wanted to have a place where people would come, and they would not just come for their services, but they would come and they would want to sit down and relax and hang out. Back then, I didn't know about kava and kratom, so I was going to have a little wine bar. Then, you know, later, and I'm going to make this concise, my son actually introduced me to kava and kratom, and then we started enjoying it as a family, which was very nice.
Yeah, it brought us a lot closer in
Yes.
the beginning before we ever did anything with Pause. It
Yeah.
made us a lot closer.
Wow.
And then I just was driving past over and over again this cute little cottage, and I said, that's the place, that's it. And along with, you know, my journey with hypothyroidism, and also, I don't want to own fibromyalgia, but a lot of constant pain.
Chronic pain.
Yes, chronic pain. I just felt that I really wanted to share that with people, and I didn't think it was getting to the masses. I didn't think that there were enough places that would make everybody feel comfortable.
And represent it in that positive way.
Yes, yes, yes. So that's absolutely, you know, why I did it, because it's really helped us as a family, and I just want to share it with people and also get the stories straight so people know exactly
Yeah.
what it is. And
Because normally when you see a kava or kratom place, it's kind of like a little hole in the wall. It doesn't really appeal to you to go hang out.
In a strip mall, tinted out windows.
not to say anything bad about those.
Not to say anything about it, of
When
course.
we first started drinking it, we would make Dustin go in and bring it out for us. We were nervous to go inside. So just imagining how many people that's excluding from having the opportunity to try something that could really be beneficial to them in so many ways.
Yeah, it definitely opens up the idea to people that wouldn't normally go into a place like that. And like for people that are going, like if they come to Pause for CBD, like an older woman, like that need CBD, and they're looking for, you know, pain relief or whatever, and they have no idea what kratom is, and they would never know because they would never walk into a place that, you know, some other places. It's just like
We have 80-year-old women that come because we have told them they have pain, they have issues, and our staff has educated them on kava and kratom, and it's like, and again, it's a life changer. It has changed their lives.
That's so amazing. You guys are making this.
They would have never come into another place. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because another place, it's not really that appealing. And besides you guys offering the kava and the kratom, which is a really great solution for someone that's stressed or has pain in their body or has anxiety, they can get that to drink, or they can also have a variety of different drinks that you guys offer, like teas,
Herbal
coffee.
teas.
Yeah, and you guys also have the juice bar, right?
Well, actually, I didn't. That wasn't working out too well. I mean, it just wasn't coming out properly. And
Oh, okay.
I just wasn't happy with customers, you know, having it not being blended properly. So
I love the juice personally. I drink it every day.
Well, maybe you guys will add something different, revise.
Sure we will. We're always
Definitely
adding
will.
new things.
Yeah, you guys are always growing and expanding. And how many years have you guys been, or months have you guys been open so far?
it's been 9. We opened on March 9th.
March 9th. Wow. And we're so excited to have you at the Mind Body Expo 2020. So is there anything else that you guys would like to add, to share if there's an event coming up, or any news that you'd like to share with our audience?
Well, we do have, like I mentioned, we're going to be adding more workshops and those kind of events. So we are doing a workshop for yoga instructors just to build their confidence. It's on February 16th from 12 to 2, only $25. So that's an upcoming event. And also we'd like to invite everyone to come and try one of our drinks on the house if they want to come by and experience it firsthand.
So before we sign out, I'm really curious. Now you guys are the whole family working. So how did you two end up deciding to work with your mom?
That's a really good question. Yeah, we weren't involved in this. I'm a music therapist, so I started my career, I was working in a hospice, doing music therapy for hospice patients. My brother is an artist. He was out in California and LA pursuing his music career. And like my mom mentioned, it was something we all started doing together, and we just became so involved in it. I was putting in so many extra hours. I just became so invested. I remember being so miserable having to leave, pause, and go to my real job. It got to the point where I just couldn't even force myself to do it. So now I'm at pause full time. And then my brother, I'll let you say it.
Yeah, well, every time I would come home to visit, it just sucked going back. Because, like, before, when we didn't have pause, or my mom didn't have pause, it was like, yeah, I always loved going to kava bars and, you know, enjoying kratom and kava, but, like, it's expensive at a lot of other places, and, you know, it's definitely hard to keep up with it, to do something you enjoy, you know, and, like, when I was like, my mom is gonna have a kava bar, like what? So it was super cool.
And we needed his help.
Yeah, it was super cool.
He is an integral part.
Yeah, Dustin does all the brewing. He makes all the teas. He flavors them.
Very precise. Very, very picky about it.
Yeah, and they're delicious.
It's amazing.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yes. Good job.
Yeah, no, it's really cool. It's really cool.
And
I had to come home for it.
Yeah, it's brought us so much closer as a family. We've always been a close family, but it's brought us so much closer, and whole new aspect of our relationship has opened up as we work together, and we've grown so much together.
We're definitely healing together and learning more about each
Yes.
other and how to handle things. And one last thing that I want to say is it definitely lends to really great, deep conversations. So, you know, we've made so many friends and so many connections, and that's really what I love about it. You know, just everything, giving back and getting back. It's just really
like meeting
Full
you.
circle.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
I have so many more friends than I've ever had.
Yeah, a lot of the customers that come in now, like I work 4 nights a week, and I have like a lot of the same people that come in every night I'm working, and it's like it's always like I'm hanging out with my friends, you know, like initially they were customers, but I mean, as they come back every night and you talk to them and hang out, you really do like develop a relationship with them. It's not just like a customer business thing.
It is. It's such a friendly environment. I know every time I go in, I always say hi to everyone that comes in. I'm like, hi, you know.
always get a hug.
Yes, exactly. So if you're looking for hugs, oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. I'm so happy to have you. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to check out Pause at Swinton, make sure to visit them at their location. They're right next to Old School Square, where we will be hosting the 7th annual Mind Body Expo on March 22nd. We hope to see you all there. Thank you for watching.